Guys, we're going up.
Dapat nga outer space na tayo.
Tagusto sa ano.
And...
Oh!
Hi! Hello mga guys! Welcome to our episode 4. So from the city of Dallas, we headed out for a quieter escape. A road trip to Point Venture, Texas, where we'll be staying for the next few days. Point Venture is a peaceful lakeside community near Lake Travis, just outside Austin, the state capital of Texas. So pagdating namin sa bahay ng kasama namin, si Ma'am Claire, grabe, ibang level. Malaki ang bahay, ang ganda ng interiors, sosyal, pang mayaman vibes talaga. At syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi mag-house tour ang mga titser. So alika na, pasok na tayo guys at i-explore ang buong bahay. Surprisingly, may elevator. Kasya ba tayong No, kasya ako. Pag may stock tayo, bahala kayo.
Okay.
Guys, napasok kami sa ano.
Yung bag lang!
Yung bag mo lang, ilagay mo lang bag.
Ano ba yung exercise ko? Ano, lakipindot to arbol, mga style mo yung
Guys,
Hi,
Ipindutin mo. Napindot ko na.
Guys, naka-elevator kami sa
Excuse
bahay
me?
nila, Ma'am Claire. Yes, merong elevator tong bahay.
Wait lang, hindi ko napindot. Guys, wait lang kasi si Emil lang. Ayan na.
Ayan na, okay.
Guys, we're going up.
Dapat nga outer space na tayo.
Tagusto sa ano.
Guys, pasensya na
To the
kayo sa
moon.
dalawang kasama ko kasi kasi sa bahay namin sa
We are
Odessa.
We're here.
We don't have second floor in the house. We only have...
Sorry, bungalow lang na.
We only have, ano mo tawag doon sa nasa bubong natin? Solar panel. There's solar panel at home. Sorry.
And
Oh!
hi! Alam mo, we're so blessed talaga kasi pinatuloy kami nila Ma'am Claire at ng asawa niya dito. Nagado kami paimot guys. So pagkapasok ng mga gamit, naglibot-libot muna ako. Every corner felt cozy yet elegant. Parang staycation talaga. Kita mo naman, di ba? O siya, tama na muna ang dada. Maglibot muna tayo. After settling in, balik real life mode muna. We help prepare dinner. Kami-kami lang. Chopping, cooking, setting the table. Kenuan niya pa dita.
Akala ko nga apat. Okay, guys. Hi, we're here cooking at the Voiceover. Okay, guys.
Simple moments, but these are the ones that really make a place feel like home. So ayan, the food is ready. Kainan na! Pagkatapos kumain, akala mo tapos na no? Hindi pa. It's videoke time!
Thanks to you, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Ano sasabihin at sa gabi, sinong tuluyan sa'yo? Sa umaga, ang hangin na hahaplos sa'yo.
Tawanan, kantahan, konting sintonado, konting biritan. Biglang nawala ang social vibes at naging parang bahay lang namin. And honestly, that's the best part. No matter how big or beautiful the house is, what really makes it special are the people inside it. Grateful for safe travels, shared meals, and moments like this. Simple, joyful, and full of life. Guys, lalabas tayo ng bahay ko.
Okay, guys.
Tingnan mo naman ang bahay ko dito sa Amerika. That's all for today. Watch out for our next episode. Explore, learn, and celebrate life with Teacher Arnold Chronicles.